So you can see a payment here for $1,200. We have another one for $1,700. Then we have another one for $2,000 and another one for $1,700. And these are payments that are coming in from Google every single month. Today I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $300 per day using Google. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can make money with Google. How do I know that these work? Well, mainly because I've been making money with Google for the past few years, and I know that anyone can do this. So I'm going to try to break it down for you as simple as possible, and in the description of this video I'm going to put the links and resources to everything that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, before we actually jump into the video, I want to remind you that you can download my free affiliate marketing guide below. This is how I make a full-time income online, which can teach you how to earn an extra $100, $200 per day promoting other people's products. So if that's something that you want to learn how to do, you can download my free affiliate marketing guide below, over 40 pages of content. All right, so let's talk about the first way to make money with Google, and that is using Google Adsense. All those payments that I just showed you a few minutes ago were from Google Adsense. These are payments that are coming in from ads in just one of my blogs. And Google Adsense is a simple way for you to monetize the content on your website, which basically means if you have a blog or website and you want to monetize the content using ads, Google is just one of the simplest and easiest ways to do that. Now, the only thing is you have to be able to generate traffic in order to make money with Google AdSense, which is mainly easier said than done, mainly because a lot of people try to make money with Google AdSense and they're not able to do it, because the thing is you need a lot of traffic to be able to generate $100, $200, $300 per day with Google AdSense. But I've been making money with Google AdSense for the past few years, and I can tell you that one of the key aspects of making money with Google AdSense is selecting the right niche. So for example, let's say you have a blog talking about entertainment news and you have another blog about personal finance blog. Even if it gets less traffic, it will make more money because that niche pays more money. So you have to choose carefully what type of niche you're going to be jumping into, because if you choose the wrong niche, you're going to put all this effort and time and investment, and then you're not going to be able to make much money unless you're able to send massive amounts of traffic to your blog. So what I've done is very simple. I've set up multiple blogs with multiple Google AdSense accounts to diversify and see which ones actually work best, which ones generate the most income. And I can tell you that selecting the niche is one of the key aspects to make money with Google AdSense. Now, if you want to learn more about setting up your own website to make money with Google AdSense, I do have a more detailed video which you can watch, and you can go in the description of this video to watch that video, which can show you all the details about making money with Google AdSense. And if you like writing content, if you enjoy sitting down just typing content for a blog, then Google AdSense is just one of the simplest ways for you to monetize that time in front of your computer. Alright, so let's talk about number 2, and number 2 is using YouTube. As you guys know, Google owns YouTube, so you're able to monetize your videos on YouTube with Google Ads. And in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So you'll be able to place ads on your videos, just like on this video that you're watching right now, and every time someone watches one of those ads, I make money. Now again, that truly depends on the topic of your videos, because some topics actually pay way more than others. I've seen YouTube channels that have millions of views and don't make as much money as I do with my own videos, even though I don't have lots of subscribers. So it just depends on the topics of your video, and it might be one of the easiest ways to make money with Google, mainly because you're not setting up a website, you're simply creating videos. And if you enjoy creating videos like I'm doing right now, you can make a decent amount of money on YouTube. Best of all, you don't even need to show your face. There's a lot of YouTube channels that don't even show their faces and they make a lot of money. So I want to give you just 2 examples of YouTube channels who make a full-time living online, and we don't even know the people behind these channels, because in this example, this channel named Funny Clips uses other people's videos to basically make money. This channel, Funny Clips, has 328,000 subscribers, and as you can see, they've been posting and they get a decent amount of views. 353,000 views in their last video, basically 2 weeks ago. Another really good example of a channel where they post content and it's not specifically someone behind the channel, it's just different types of content, is this one called Brightside. They have 30 million subscribers, and as you can see, they post videos pretty much daily or multiple times every single day, and they get so many views, and these people are making so much money by simply uploading videos about different interesting topics. If you want to find out or you want to get an estimate on how much money someone is making on YouTube, you can use a website called Social Blade. Funny clips here, and we're going to take a look to see how many views they're getting on a monthly basis. So you can see they have 74 uploads, 328,000 subscribers, and 128 million views. So we're going to click on that. So over the past 30 days, this channel has received over 1 million views, and Social Blade is estimating that they're making between $265 to $4,000 per month. I would guess is closer to $4,000 per month. And again, they only have 74 videos, and they're getting between 40,000 to 50,000 views per day. You can see the estimated earnings here on the right hand side for each day. So anywhere between $1 for every 1,000 views to $4 for every 1,000 views. So I would guess they're making easily over $100 per day just utilizing other people's videos without having to create their own videos and uploading perhaps once every week or once every 2 weeks. So this shows you the possibilities of using YouTube to make money and how YouTube can be a powerful way to make passive income online. Now, how much money, you might be wondering, how much money can you make as a YouTuber? I do share my earnings on a monthly basis, and every single month I try to share with you guys exactly how much money I make from YouTube, which you can go and watch in the description of this video. There's going to be a link to my previous month where I show you exactly how much money I made from my YouTube ads. I've seen people make $300, $500, up to $1,000 per day just with YouTube ads. So it's definitely possible to make $300 per day on YouTube just by placing ads on your videos. Because the thing is, if you can make $10 per day, you can probably make $100, and if you can make $100 per day, you can probably make $300. But you do have to put a lot of work. You do have to create lots of content for YouTube. I have over 200 videos. I've been doing this for over a year now with 12,000 subscribers. It took me a lot of time and effort to get to this point, and I still have a long way to go. So if you're gonna get into YouTube, you do have to love the process of creating videos and not expect a lot of money in the beginning, because this is all about creating content, providing value, and as you grow and you get subscribers and you get more views, you'll start making some money. So let's talk about the third way to make money with Google, and this is by providing a service. A service-based business utilizing Google, it's another way to make $100 to $300 per day. As you know, Google is the biggest search engine on the planet. Lots of businesses want to be on the first page of Google because that's how they get customers, that's how they make money. So if you can help businesses get on the front page of Google on their local city, they'll be willing to pay you whatever you ask, because the more traffic they get from the front page of Google, the more customers that they can get and the more money the business actually makes. So a few months ago, I uploaded this video, which is a 20-minute training video showing you how you can make money with Google Maps. And this is a very simple concept. You simply find businesses on Google Maps that need better rankings on Google. And I show you the services and I show you how you can take those businesses to the first page of Google. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month to provide this service. Every single day, new businesses are being launched, and new businesses mean that they need customers. And the best way to get customers is Google search. So if you're able to help 5-10 businesses per month get more customers utilizing Google, you'll be able to make as much money as you want. Because being on the first page of Google is prime real estate. This is how most businesses make money, and this is how they get discovered by customers, because most people go on Google and they start searching for specific type of services or businesses, and that's how they get found. So by providing this type of services, you can go up to a business and you can charge $500, you can charge $1,000. So in that 20-minute training video that we're going to link to below, you're going to learn exactly the services to use and the process to follow to find those businesses that need this type of service and how you can reach out to those businesses and provide your services. So guys, these are my top 3 ways to make money with Google. There are far more ways to make money with Google. There's plenty of people who utilize Google in many different ways, and they make a full-time income online. So if you take any of these three and you apply them, you'll be able to make some money with Google. It just takes time, takes hard work, but I would suggest to just pick one thing, stick to it for as long as you can, and try to make it profitable. With that said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.